Hello, Kwang.
Uh,
Okay, wait a minute because our material is still opening. Okay, so how are you tonight? How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, well, I was able to watch the video that you sent me yesterday. I think that's yesterday, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, your dream job is to be, what's that?
Uh,
What did you say in the video? I think that is computer. What's that? I forgot it. Wait a minute. Let me see it first. Wait a minute, Kwan. The video cannot be played. Why?
my dream job is a software engineer.
Yeah, that is what I was about to tell you. You want to be a software engineer, right?
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute, Kwan. I just saw a picture of you here. Look, this is your family picture.
Yes.
So you have two sisters.
Yes.
How old are they?
Uh, they uh, 8 and uh,
8
eight
and
and 10.
oh, 8 and 10. Okay. Well, and you are, how old are you?
Uh, I'm 14 years old.
14. So you are 14, then your sister is 10, and then the other one is 9?
Yes.
Okay. So, um, are you going to the same school, Kwang? So, what school are you going to, Kwang?
I don't understand.
Okay, I mean, what is the name of your school?
My school.
Yes. What's the name of your school?
Uh, my school name secondary school.
You're in secondary school. So, so how about your two sisters? Are they going in that school also?
No.
No. Okay, I thought they are going in the same school like your school. Okay, well, Kwan, for tonight, we are going to have a reading activity, okay?
Okay.
All right, but before that, Kwan, wait a minute. Let me just put off the lights over there, okay? Wait for me. Okay, Gwen. So let's start now. Can you see the screen? Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So let's start. Okay, now, Craig, this is lesson number 4. Can you read the title?
Uh, current event cosmic DNA surprise.
Okay, it's about cosmic DNA surprise. So let's see. Let's see what does it mean. Okay, so Kwang, I want you to read and understand the text here that you're going to read. Okay, so let's begin.
Not long ago, scientists were using a telescope. It was called the space telescope. They saw a double helix shape that is a shape that is usually found inside living things. They had never seen it in the sky. They found out that this DNA shape in a space in about 80 light years long. It is about 300 light years away from the black hole in the Milky Way. They think that it is moving at uh, 60, 20 million uh, millions every second. That is very fast. Uh, Greece scientists think that the black hole is making the DNA turn every fast. The telescope shows them that there is DNA in other parts of the universe.
Okay, so okay, before we talk about these things, Kwang, I want you to finish first the article or the text that you're reading. Okay, so this is the last part. Okay, continue, Kwang.
Uh, in the world around us, we heard the letter DNA discussed. We heard them on TV. We heard them in the news. What do they mean? How do they work? DNA is what the call the cell in our bodies that help us to grow. They are the cells that help us to have children that look like us. Uh, the shape of DNA look a little like a bride. Scientists so DNA was only found in living things on the earth. They never thought they would find it in the universe outside the earth.
Okay. So, Kwang, let's have vocabulary first. Okay, so let's talk about the words right here. Okay, first one, Kwang, is
Comic.
comic, cosmic. That's not comic, it's cosmic.
Cosmic.
Okay, so what do you mean by cosmic?
Cosmic is the universe.
Yes, it's cosmic means it's talking about the universe, or yeah, it's related to the universe. It means that when you talk about universe, it means it's about cosmic. Okay, next one is
It's a telescope.
okay, what's telescope?
Telescope uh, it's a it's a glass can see the star.
Okay, so telescope, this is an object, or this is a device that's been used so that it can help you see the smaller objects into a bigger one. Okay, or the far objects, you can see it nearly. Okay, for example, the you wanted to see the star or the moon. Okay, when you have a telescope and then when you look at it, you can see it clearly and in a bigger one. Okay, Kwan? So next one,
Okay.
oh wait, have you tried using a telescope? Have you tried using a telescope, Kwan?
No.
No, not yet. You know what? There are some telescopes in the museums and also in some laboratories, right? Okay, because here in the Philippines, in mostly in museums, we have that. Okay, next one, Kwan, is
It's a helix.
okay. What is helix?
Uh, it's a it's a spiral.
Yes, helix means it's spiral. It's like that. Okay, spiral is like that. Next one is
The scientist.
scientist. Okay, what's a scientist?
Scientist is a it's people who are good at the science.
Okay, so scientist, this is a person that is in the field of science. Okay, it means he's studying science, or he is a professional. He is a professional person that has a knowledge in science. Okay, next one, Quang.
Universe.
Universe. Okay, what is universe?
Universe is uh,
What is it? Universe.
is where the star are.
Yeah, universe, this is space. Okay, universe is like cosmic. That is a space where you can see the planets, the stars, the galaxy in short. Okay. Okay, next one, Quan.
Cell.
Cell. Okay, what's a cell?
Cell is uh,
What is a cell?
is the part of the human body.
Okay, so smell. This is the smallest structural unit of an organism. Okay, you can see this one in a person's body or in the animal's body. Okay. Next one is
It's a brain.
braid. Okay, what do you mean by braid?
Brain is it's a and, and the band.
Okay, so here's braid. Braid, it means that this are thread. Okay, this is a thread that um is woven into a decorative band. Okay, it means that it's a thread. Okay, it is together. Okay, it is connected to each other like that. Okay, that is braid. Next one is
It's outside.
outside. So what's outside?
Outside is uh, it's outside is um it's
What is outside?
outside is it's
Okay, outside means it's not inside. Okay, that's very basic or very easy. Okay, outside means you're not inside, of course. Okay, so now, Kwang, let's talk about grammar. Past continuous. Okay, positive is subject plus was or were plus verb ing. In a negative form, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing. And the question, plus was or were plus subject plus verb ing. Okay, so here are some examples. Are these example sentences, Kwang? Can you read the Vietnamese sentences here? Because teacher cannot understand it.
diễn tả hành động đã xảy ra tại một thời điểm trong quá khứ. Diễn đạt hai hành động xảy ra đồng thời trong quá khứ. Hành động lặp đi lặp lại trong quá khứ và làm phiền đến người khác.
Okay, so are those examples of sentences, Kwang? Are those sentences or are these explanations? What is it?
Um, uh,
Oh, wait a minute. I know I can translate it. Wait for me. Text scanner. Wait, Kwang. Okay, wait a minute, Kwang, because I wanted to know this one. Okay, wait for me. Translate. Okay, here. Expressing an action that was happening at a time in the past. Expressing two actions happening at the same time in the past. And actions that are repeated in the past and annoy. Oh, all right. Wait a minute, Kwan. Okay, so this is an explanation, right, Kwan? Okay, so let me see again. Express an action that is happening at a certain time in the past. Okay, so example, subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Okay, example. Kwang was playing basketball yesterday. Okay, so that is in the positive one. In negative, Kwang was not playing basketball yesterday. In the question, was Kwang playing basketball yesterday? Okay, so that is the example sentence for that. Okay, Kwang? Anyway, here is the example. Okay, can you read it, please?
so at this time last year, they were building this house. They weren't going to school when I met them yesterday.
Okay, so these are examples of that sentence structure. Okay, anyway, this is about the past perfect. Subject plus had plus past participle. Negative one is subject plus had plus not plus past participle. And in the question, there's had plus subject plus past participle. Okay, again, can you read this one, Craig? Okay, Kwang, can you read the Vietnamese sentence here, please?
Động xảy ra như là điều kiện tiên quyết cho hành động khác. Hành động xảy ra trong một khoảng thời gian trong quá khứ, trong một mốc thời gian khác. Trong các điều kiện loại 3 để diễn tả điều kiện không có.
Oh, okay, let us see. What does it mean? An action that happened as a precondition for another action. An action that happened during a period of time in the past before another time point. In conditional sentences, type 3 to express unreal conditions. Oh, that is the meaning. Okay, example, Quat. Subject plus had plus past participle. Okay, example. Our family had our family had wait a minute, let me think. Our family had traveled to the beach to spend our holiday there. Okay, that is an example, correct? In a negative form, our family had not traveled to the beach to spend the holiday there. And in the question, did our family had traveled in the beach to spend the holiday there? Okay, so that is the question. Okay, Kwang? So let's see. Here is an example. Read it, Kwang, please.
I prepare for example and was read pretty to do well. If I had known that, I would have acted differently. Jane has studied in England before she did her master at Harvard.
Okay, so these are some examples for those format of sentence. Okay, so let's practice one. Okay, so this is exercise one. Answer the questions. Okay, wait, what's happening? Okay, question number one, Kwan. Another way to describe DNA would be, what letter is it? Another way to describe DNA would be,
Is B.
it's B.
It's a
Okay,
B.
what's letter B? Oh, you read letter B, Kwan?
Uh,
Don't need air, okay? That's what I'm asking. Okay, Kwan, number two. Which word is a synonym for the word usually? Synonym means it has the same meaning, okay? So what is the same meaning of the word usually?
it's uh, it's
Okay, what is the same
it's
word or same meaning for usually?
it's
Is?
it's B. C
Okay.
C.
Yeah, it's correct. B. B is mostly. That is correct, Kwang. How about number three? This passage is mostly about, so the story that you have read, what is it about? So what is the story of Cosmic DNA Surprise about? Okay, is it A, B, C, or D?
C.
Okay, it's letter B, a discovery of DNA in the universe. Okay, next one, Kwang, number four. Read the question, please.
uh,
You read the question number 4. Which one?
Which one of there is not true about DNA?
Mm-hmm.
It's thư
It's A.
yes.
It's letter C. It is not found in humans. Okay, next one, class. Exercise to complete the summary below. Okay. So now, Kwang, you're going to complete the summary here. Okay, and then you're going to say your answers or the words that you think is correct here. Okay, can you do it? Do you still remember the story? Oh wait, this is quite difficult because the words that been used here is scientifically words, okay? So wait, Kwan, I will give you this one as a homework. I will take a picture first, okay? Wait for me. Because you can check this one on the material that we used tonight, okay? Oh wait, I will send it on Zalo so I cannot forget it. And you just take a picture of it and you send it to me, okay, Kwan? This will be your homework. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Okay, now Kwak, put the put the correct form of the verb using form of past perfect. Okay, number 1, Kwak, can you read it please? They.
Number one is were
You say the word first. They.
they
What's the past tense of come?
were they were come back
No.
home.
No, past only, Kwak. Okay, I will give you this one as an example. They came. Okay, that will be the example. Next. They
Back
came.
home. They
Mm-hmm.
came back home. After that, they finished their work.
What's the word? After
Uh,
they.
After they they were finished.
After they had finished their work. Okay, number 2, let's try again.
She said that she uh, she
She said that she
she met
met. Okay, I will accept met. Okay, next one. Number 3.
before he had gone
Before he
to bed.
went to bed.
He 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 had with
He
he had uh, Uh, he had read
He had read a novel. Okay, that's correct for Quang.
he told me he had not worked.
Okay, he had not worked. Correct. Next one, Quang. When
When I came to the stadium, the match start.
the match start? No,
The match had start.
the match had start. Had started. Okay, not had start. Okay, well, I will give it some points to you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 3 points for you, Quan. Okay, well, Quan, don't forget to answer your homework that I sent here on Zalo, okay? And
Okay.
you can find the answers on the text that we have read a while ago. Okay, Quan? Do you have it? Do you have a copy of it? This one? This story. Okay, do you have a copy of this? Or do you want me to take a picture? You want a picture?
Yes.
Okay, so I can take a picture of this one and send it on your Zalo so that you can answer the homework that I gave you. Okay, Kwang? Alright. So, Kwang, that will be all for tonight. Tambiet and Chukmon.
Goodbye.
Okay, wait for my message, alright?